we'll guide you through how to make a GIF in CapCut. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open CapCut on your desktop and start a new project by clicking on the New Project button. Then, you need to import the video you want to convert into a GIF. Click on the Import button at the top left corner and select your video file. Once it's imported, drag the video clip to the timeline at the bottom. Next, you can trim or cut the video to the specific portion you'd like to use for your GIF. Simply click and drag the edges of the video clip on the timeline to adjust its length. If you want to add text or effects, head over to the Text or Effects panel on the left side and drag your chosen elements onto the timeline where you want them to appear. Now, go to the Export button at the top right corner. In the Export settings, select the GIF format from the drop-down menu. You can also adjust the resolution and frame rate to better suit your needs. Once everything is set, click on the Export button again to save your GIF. Your newly created GIF will be saved to your chosen location on your computer. It's as simple as that. With CapCut's intuitive interface, creating GIFs is quick and easy. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.